Hey everyone, it's a very rainy day today in Georgia, and I'm down to the southern part of Georgia, in Byron, Georgia to be exact. And I am working on building a shelving unit, a makeshift shelving unit for my client who is going to be having an event on Saturday, and she wants to have a store for people to purchase her wine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a store. As you can see, I'm starting with just pillars here and some glassware that I have. I love building shelves with glass. It gives it an elegant touch. I do it all the time when I do my displays for food, food buffet and all that. It just makes it look a little bit more blingier. So that is what I'm doing. So I will be back to show you guys from the stages from beginning, as you can see, beginning, just pillars and glass, and what the end result is going to be. So as you can see, I'm starting to layer the glass now. So here is the glass, which I severely need to clean because I don't know how long it's been in storage, but it needs a good cleaning before we can display any products on here. But this is the idea. So again, it's providing elegance with it being glass. And here is a very nice mirror right here. So it's going to give the elegance once the products are on here. She didn't want things too blingy, but I think the glass kind of makes everything look nice without blinging it all the way up. Okay, so we're going to keep building this. I'm going to put more glass up here. I think I'm going to take it up 3 levels because that's about as much as I can reach. I'm not as tall as I look, y'all. So that's all we're going to do is about 3. And she's shorter than I am. So that's about all we're going to do is about 3 levels to this, and then we're going to build outside of it. But I guarantee you it's easy, but you may need somebody to help you because the glass can be very heavy, as I needed to get somebody to help me with this because it is very heavy. All right, all 3 tiers have been built. There you go. Now I'm just going to clean them up a little bit so we can start stocking these shelves. Okay, so here's a little tip for you guys. Sometimes window cleaner doesn't work really well when you're cleaning glass, especially if the glass has been stored for a long time and there's a lot of buildup on it. You just want to use good old clean isopropyl alcohol or vinegar. That does the trick, gets it sparkly and shiny, just like glass is supposed to be. That's a tip. Okay, so now we've added a few extras for the side here, same principle, pillars and glass top. Okay, so now you can kind of see the entire look coming together here. Stay tuned. Okay, so there's so many different kind of ways that you can arrange things once you start putting them on the shelves. I like to do different designs. Like for this one, I'm just putting rows upon rows upon rows of bottles. And then over here, I wanted to be a little bit more creative. So I did kind of like a figure X is what I guess I'm going to call it, kind of here. So that gives it a different look to it. As you can see, it's coming along. Okay, everything is finally coming together. As you can see, we're just waiting for some more bottles to be labeled so we can add them to the display. Looking very store-ish, wouldn't you say? Glasses waiting to be filled. And that's just the part here with the wine. We also did the same thing with her products. So let me walk you over here and show you what we did over here. All the products are not out yet, but we made a little makeshift shelves here to be able to do that as well. Now I am available for you to hire to come and do the same thing to set up your store and feature your products. Just give me a call or you can message me and we'll definitely get you in for the new year. Okay guys, everything is just about done. just still continuing to stock products. Some of the product is not labeled yet, but just take a tour with me so you can kind of see what the store looks like. I thought it was a good idea to put it on this side by the mirror, because the mirror is going to reflect and make you look like you have double the products. You know, she does have a lot of products. And there you have it. That's simple. Bye, guys. Okay, so I just finished setting up at the Roberts Vineyard. The store is officially open. Check this out. So I hope you guys will come on out and shop on Saturday. For all you ladies that want to get your beauty treatments, let me show you what she's got in store for you. This is Cellusleek, okay? Because you do know that there is Spatique at the Vineyard, okay? So we brought the spa into the event center. So there are gonna be a few ladies that are gonna be getting complimentary beauty treatments with the Cellusleek. I wish I was gonna be here to get one. She's also gonna do another procedure. So, you know, we're thinking about putting together a little sip and sculpt party for New Year's Eve. So you'll hear more about that. But if you are available on this weekend, you want to head down to Byron, Georgia, to the Roberts Venue, where there will be Spatique services, sale of the wine. They're going to be free hors d'oeuvres, and it's just going to be a great time to socialize. There'll also be spa products available for sale as well. What do you guys think about the way I put together the store, so to say? You can see it in the background there. Okay. Well, hopefully, Dr. Darlene will see you guys here in Byron, Georgia on Saturday.